Grandmaster Mario here. Alright, I might as well show this. I only have like 3 things to do here. Show off 2 segmenteds and do one daily datas thing. But anyways, yeah, while I'm here, I might as well show it. Alright. Okay, so I got a personal best again in Datas 2 Mobile. I got a personal best again in Datas 2 Mobile. Only by a little bit, but PB is a PB. Definitely not a PB by much, and not all that great of a PB. Not all that great of a time. It's alright, but still, well, again, a PB is 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 a PB. So, yeah, it's a PB nonetheless. Not by much, and not that great of a time, but still, a PB is a PB is a PB. And also, I got a personal best in this, which actually is the world record for this version. This version is different when it comes to segmented and even all worlds and even a couple of individual worlds. I'll tell you why it's different. Because in the web version, this stuff, the quicksand, it pushes you back. The quicksand pushes you back in level 24, level 25, and in level 39. So in 2 worlds, the sand pushes you back. So that's why the times can be slightly different than on mobile and on Switch. So yeah, that's why the categories are different, because yeah, the sand pushes you back in this one, where it doesn't push you back in the other versions. This is the only version where it pushes you back in. Not even in Datas Collection it pushes you back. This is the only version that does so. So this really actually, in some sort of way, does actually feel like a real world record. Because it's slightly different than, yeah. And I guess some other levels are slightly different frames. I also kind of noticed that in some boss levels, like in the Durnak fight, I think Durnak shoots the fish more often than he does, tiny bit more often than he does in the other versions, but I don't know. I'm not sure of that one. But in the sand ones are the obvious difference. But anyways, so yeah, that is a real legit PB. I also got a PB recently in Datas 2 for the Switch as well. So I got a personal best in all of them today. And all 3 of the Datas 2s. I already did this 35 days in a row. That's not what I'm gonna do. I am gonna display my my Switch PBs as well. Mad Giant Cousin. Mad Giant Cousin. Mad Not So Giant Cousin. He's Mad Not So Giant Cousin. Olish. I already did Olish. Pineapple-ish. I'll do this one. Yes, I did unlock every single character, but I did it on my old phone, which I no longer have. It broke. Yeah, I unlocked every single character, but only on the old phone. And so in some sort of way, I did sort of beat this game by getting every character, but again, on my old phone. 2, 3, 4 more characters to unlock. There's 11 characters total. There's 10 to unlock because Dadish is already unlocked. Alright, anyways, yeah, that's it. Bye. Honestly, this is a silly one. No, can't do that. That's not good. Ah, fuck off. Really? There's no way around that one. That was nice. Alright, anyways, let's stop this foolishness. Anyway, that's it. Bye.